What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jack Sonic, Eat Vegetables NYC, and today I'm going to teach y'all how to maintain Swiss chard. At this point in the season, you know, it can be kind of tough to get good yields off your Swiss chard, especially if you're not really picking it that often. You know, you can tell that our Swiss chard, it looks a little hurting, it's a little overgrown. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of apply like a pruning technique to it. We're gonna go through and we're gonna take off all the outermost leaves. This allows the plant to focus on its new growth. Instead of having to maintain the old leaves, which we're not gonna eat anyway. Now, when you're pruning the leaves, you wanna make sure that you get a clean break at the base of the plant. You wanna snap the leaves right where the stem meets the base. So a lot of times when a Swiss chard gets mature, it'll actually put out these little side shoots off the plant. And you know, while that can be good for an easy harvest, you know, when the leaves get really big, it just produces an excess of leaves and kind of prevents the plant from focusing on its innermost growth. If you see a side shoot like this, we're just gonna try and snap it off at the base and get an even break, like so. You see, and then once you take off the little side shoot, then you can cook this up or discard it depending on the condition of the leaves. The plants are streamlined so they can focus on their central growth and they have plenty of room to grow. Don't forget to tell your friends to eat vegetables.